Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage a DPI lightning effect on a PULSAR mouse. To do this, first you will need to open the PULSAR software that you can find and download from their official website. Navigate to Performance. Inside there's the DPI effect and we can switch between steady, breathing, or turn it off entirely. And for each of those settings you can also adjust the light effect with the brightness and speed. Then you can switch to different light by clicking on the color on the specific DPI level. Click on OK and it should set the DPI lamp to that color. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.